Hi everyone, this is Amit from E1 Support. I'm going to show you when you got the error about the Excel add-ins that it is not showing under the Excel. Okay, so let me share my screen and let me open that Excel. Okay, first thing is like, let's see if I'm on Excel, I cannot see that add-ins over here at the top, and I would like to check few things to do it. Okay, so I'll go to the files, I'll go to the options first, and then go to the add-ins. I can see it here. Okay, so first I will see it like this is SmartConnect Excel add-ins. It's a type of com add-ins. You can see it under here. If you don't see it in inactive, maybe it will be in the disable session. Like if you go to the disable, like manage disable, and go, if you see it here, you just click on it and enable it. Okay, and then once it is enabled, either it will become as active or it will become as inactive. So let's say if it is inactive, okay, then I have to go to com, go here, and I'll make it as active. You can see the path. It's a C drive, program files, event solutions, Excel add-ins, like that. So once it is added, you can see it here, but still you can't see it. You need to go to the options, go to the trust center. This could be like few places it was been blocked, so we need to add it into the trust center. So I'll go to the trust settings here, and I'll go to the trust locations, and I will allow like here. So basically I will click on the allow trust to the my network. I'll add the new location and I'll browse it. I'll go to the C drive, programs files, and I will choose the event solutions, click OK, and I'll click on the subfolders to this trusted location. And once this is one, I can allow it. Like the step 1 is to go to the trusted location, step 2 is to be add, and then once it is added, then I can allow the trusted locations to my network, like step 3, and then add 4. Once this is added, you can just re-verify again. Yeah, this is added. Then I'll click OK. Then I can see it here. But if still can't see it, you just close the Excel and reopen it back.